What makes these tartines different from all others? Matzah. Some may see the bread of affliction here, but I see matzah tartines. Are you ready to nosh? Let's go. No, I am not Jewish, and I did not grow up eating matzah, but my husband Jason is Jewish. Jason happens to be behind the camera. Say hi, Jason. He is shy. One thing he is shy about is his matzah bread, which is amazing. If you're not sure what matzah is, it's basically unleavened bread. You could sort of think of it like a big, gigantic saltine cracker. It's big, it's flat, it's crispy. That makes it perfect for a tartine. I'd like to introduce you to my matzah tartines. The first is the hero of them all. Ladies and gentlemen, this is my Everything Bagel Matzo Tartine. I start by piping some whipped cream cheese right on top of the matzah. It's light and it's airy. And then I top it with those usual suspects. So I got a little red onion action going on, some thinly sliced cucumber. You gotta have some capers. But of course, this incredible tartine would not be anything without that Everything Bagel seasoning sprinkled right on top, giving it tons and tons of flavor. This is genius. This is mad genius. So for all you Everything Bagel lovers out there, you know who you are. You're all obsessed with it. This matzah tartine is for you. Next up, we've got tartine number 2. Happens to be one of my favorites. This is my smoked trout, beet, and radish tartine. It's definitely a little more elevated, but it's one of the reasons I love it. I start by mixing some mayonnaise with lemon juice and chive and a little freshly grated horseradish. Of course, I'm gonna season it with salt and pepper. Spread that all over the matzah. And then I top it with sliced pickled beets, smoked trout, thinly sliced radishes, and a little more chives for color. I'm gonna eat it from this side now. The toppings on this tartine are definitely some of the most underappreciated supermarket ingredients. Smoked trout and steamed pickled beets are 2 of my secret weapons. I keep them on hand at all times for recipes just like this. I'm almost eating this whole one. Last but certainly not least, we're going a little sweet this time with my almond butter, apple, and chocolate matzo tartine. All you've got to do is spread a ton of almond butter all over the matzah. Then what I like to do is thinly slice a Granny Smith apple on a mandolin so it is super duper thin. You're gonna arrange that on top of the almond butter. We're gonna drizzle it with some honey and then top it with shaved chocolate. Never again will you eat peanut butter toast. Trust me on this. When I was a kid, I would eat saltines with peanut butter and apple. This is like the more sophisticated version of that. Really good. Matzah tartines for the win. These happen to be my favorite toppings, but I would like to know what your favorite toppings are. Let me know in the comments.